Hello students, myself Dr. Rajendra Punya. I am the faculty in the next law in the radiology department. Now let's talk about why I am coming out here today. Today I want to discuss to all the students regarding the recent result of the FMG. For all the FMG students, first of all, for the past students, congratulations, we are all happy for you. But my special message is for those students which are unable to pass the exam. So students, right now, if exam, you are not able to pass the exam. Now, at any point of time in your life, you have two choices, okay? Either at any point of time, you can either go for a positive approach or a negative approach. What I'm suggesting you, if you're not able to pass the exam, it's okay, it's fine. You are going to face the failure. I have seen multiple time failures. It's nothing like that. Okay, कि you are like कि sir fail हो गया. नहीं, fail सब होते हैं exams में. It's fine. First of all, what we have to do, what is our target? We have to pass the exam. Okay, just write it down somewhere. What is your target? I have to pass my exam. Now, this is my attempt. I have failed. But is it the last step? No. What is important is not about like कि sir अब क्या? नहीं. Important is how you are going to approach for your next exam. Because every single day, if you are thinking about this failure, you are wasting your golden time. What I am suggesting, like this much is the level required to pass the exam. Okay. What if like 150 marks are required to pass the exam? What if some students will be like, sir, I got 148. Might be they are unlucky. Some student will be there, got 140. Some student will be at 130. Someone will be at 120. First of all, don't compare yourself with anyone. Somebody is getting passed, somebody is getting failed. Life is like a marathon. Everybody is running at their own pace. Think about yourself. Where are you? First, you should know about it. Now, why I'm saying don't waste your time in thinking about your failure. Think like that. This is the required level. Someone is here, someone is here, someone is here. Now, how this thing do work after the exam? Like after you do have only 6 months. Just assume that you have 6 months. If you waste your 1 month, like post-exam, whatever it is, like 148 आया चाहे 140 आया, either चाहे 120 आया चाहे 110 आया चाहे 10 marks आया. We have to cover this gap, okay, and take a margin of 10 marks to 20 marks. Okay, I have to score 170. 180 is my target, 150 is the required. So, this requirement, this time you will reach up to this requirement, okay. Now the gap is this much. But you will realize if 10% gap is there and you waste this precious time, because your preparation already at that level. If you are getting 130, you are only lacking 20 marks. So you are already prepared up to the 130 marks. But if you waste 1 month, this 80% preparation will go reduced by the 20%. Now you only have 5 months. You would have 6 months. Okay? You would have get up to 180. But if you waste your 1 month or 2 months in thinking about this failure, then again you have to start with 30, because every month your level will reduce because you will start forgetting things. You are already on a good level. Whatever level it is good for you. You are at this level, you are at this level, doesn't matter. We all have to reach beyond this. So what we have to do, don't think about it. We only will look for your target. It doesn't matter 1 attempt में हुआ, 2 में हुआ, सर 4 में नहीं हुआ, doesn't matter. All we have to do is to achieve our target. Okay, this is our prime focus. We have to achieve this target. If we are at the 80%, we have lost by the 20%, then this is our launch pad. Don't miss it. Don't miss your launch pad. Once right now you will start from 80. Okay, then you only have to go for the 20%. You will get 6 months to get this 20%. Once you waste your 1 month, you will get at 50. Then you again have to go for the 50%. Okay? So think about the positive approach. Failure is nothing. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता 6 महीने से. Okay? जिन्होंने कर लिया, कोई बात नहीं. कर लिया. Everyone is running at their own pace. Doesn't matter. Only thing that matter is that, okay, sir, I have to pass this exam. And how you are going to do it? By your hard work. Start it today. Don't waste your time. This is very precious. You only get 6 months, 180 days. Maximum 180 days. Okay? So you have to think, with every single day you are losing a percentage chance. So why are you doing so? Don't think about the failure. It's fine. Fail hona is not a big deal. Everyone in life has failed somewhere. जो आपको लगता है कि ये पढ़ाई में ज़्यादा अच्छा है, doesn't mean कि वो फेल नहीं होता है. Everybody fail in some manner. So don't think about it. Think about your target, focus on your target and work for it. Okay, students, best of luck for your exam and don't miss this launchpad because only this much is remaining. Okay, just work for it. Don't waste a single day due to this results. And for the past students, congratulations. But for the other students, lag jao. Okay, thank you.